Recording the sewer line here at 1000 Northwest 180th Street. Date is June 14, 2021. I'm making this recording from a broken section of sewer that was already broken upon arrival down at the corner property line here. It's been exposed and there's a big hole in the top of the clay section of sewer. What we're going to do is pull back from about 140 some feet down this line, 145 or so. I zeroed out the footage. You see a root coming in, a small root. It's been cleaned mostly, coming in at this transition from concrete to clay. And as you come back a few more feet, there is a visibly broken section where it looks like, almost looks like a piece of metal as something's come through the line, mixed with a root. Almost looks like a stake has been driven through that thing way down there. I don't even know how I would access where this is right now on the property. We would have to make some sort of return visit, an agreement with the neighbors to look at where this is. I'm going to pull back, keep coming back from there though. Okay, continuing the recording, we are coming up this 6-inch diameter clay line. It looks like this line at one point shared with the neighbor to the south. Right now that house is completely demolished and looks like they're building something new, but where I'm running this camera from is essentially the Y where these two homes join, 1000 and then whatever that home is directly to the south that right now is just a big empty lot. I ran the camera up the branch arm and that's how I determined that the line runs kind of at a diagonal straight over to their property. So I am not 1000% sure that that's the case going on here, but I am pretty damn sure from many years of doing this. And you see a little cracking and broken section. This is right where we're pulling out of, where we're exposed here. So I'm going to show you this exposed section. It's not compromising any flow or anything right now, but there is a big hole in the top of the pipe essentially. You can kind of see where, here's the Y branch arm going up to the neighbor's house. Flip the camera, you can kind of see the 1000 line head down. So I'm going to end the video there. Well, let's do this. Well, I'm going to end the video there. Upstream, it's about 5-6 feet of clay, 6-inch, and then you come into HDPE 4-inch plastic. I'm going to end the video there.